The operational mistake that kill SME profitability. If you are running a manufacturing business in India and your number looks okay on the paper, but something always feel off on the shop floor, this video is for you. I am going to share 3 operational mistakes that silently kill SME profitability. And the dangerous part, most owners don't even know they are making them. These are not strategy problems. You don't need a new business plan. These are operational gaps happening every single day in your plant, in your processes, in your people, and they are completely fixable. This applies whether you are in auto ancillary, engineering, fabrication, or any discrete manufacturing setup. Mistake number 1. You are measuring output but ignoring flow. Most plant teams chase one number. How many pieces did we produce today? But production count alone hides the real problem. Work in progress is piling up. Material is waiting between the stations. Dispatches are getting delayed. Your OTIF is suffering. The line looks busy, but the value is not flowing. Measuring output without measuring flow is like checking your speedometer while ignoring the traffic jam ahead. Mistake number 2. You are fixing symptoms, not systems. Every breakdown becomes a firefight. Every quality rejection triggers a meeting. Every customer complaint causes panic. But next month, the same problem comes back. Why? Because the root cause was never addressed. A machine breakdown is not just a maintenance issue, it's a signal of deeper system gap. Without structured root cause analysis, you are not solving problem. You are managing them repeatedly but at full cost. Mistake number 3. You are measuring manpower wrong. Most SMEs track headcount efficiency. How many people are present? How many hours they worked? But that is not operational efficiency. In reality, some areas are overstaffed and idle, others are understaffed and overloaded. Skill mismatch go unnoticed. Productivity losses stay invisible. True manpower optimization is not about reducing people. It is about deploying the right person at the right time, at the right place. Here is the critical point. These 3 mistakes do not work in isolation. They compound each other. Poor workflow creates pressure. Pressure triggers firefighting. Firefighting masks manpower problems. Fix one without the other 2 and you will see only partial results. Sustainable profitability needs all 3 addressed together but systematically. At Alberton, this is exactly where we start, on the ground, not in the boardroom. We call it a spotlight approach. We identify this gap fast, build a clear improvement roadmap, and work alongside your team to implement it. If any of these resonate with your current situation, let's talk. Visit us at albertontechnologies.com or simply drop a comment below. A 30-minute conversation could change the direction of your operation.